Okay guys, here's your ice cream. And you got rainbow ice, cotton candy, banana splits, drumsticks, and cookie dough. Looking good there. You got every kind of ice cream. Check it out. And here you got your water, your Red Bull, your different protein shakes, Pepsi, Canada Dry Ginger Ale, Monsters, iced tea, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, Coca-Cola, Sunkist Orange, Mountain Dew. You got apple juice, Gatorade, sports drinks, all kinds of sparkling water, and more sports drinks. Check it out. Of course, you got Starbucks coffee here, guys.